Here's another top secret recipe. I'm going to show you how to make these amazing cupcakes with a half gallon of ice cream. Let's go. In one bowl, add 2 cups of flour with 2 teaspoons of baking powder and stir well. Now you're going to add melted ice cream, a half a gallon of your favorite kind. I'm using Moose Tracks. Stir until creamy. Then you're going to add in the flour and the baking powder and mix really well. Keep mixing till it's nice and creamy. Then add 2 eggs, one at a time, and stir again until a nice creamy texture. You want it to look just like a cupcake batter, which is nice and creamy. Then preheat your oven to 350 degrees and fill cupcake liners halfway full. Bake about 17 minutes until done, and then decorate just as you want. Imagine all the different flavors you can make with different types of ice cream. Enjoy! Here's a bonus recipe using 1 box of spice cake mix and 1 16-ounce can of pure pumpkin. All you're doing is adding the pumpkin into the spice cake mix and mixing until it's very creamy, just like this. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees and fill your cupcake liners about halfway, maybe a little bit more than halfway. And you're going to bake these from anywhere from 12 to 16 minutes, depending on your oven. Just check for doneness by tapping your finger on the top of the cupcake to see if it bounces back. If it does, then it's done. And now you have spice pumpkin muffins that are just absolutely delicious.